Hi class. Today we are going to start our project over the Earth's structural layers. I've talked to you previously about how we're going to do this, and this short presentation is going to give you specifics. So if you will close your monitors and follow along with me up here as I maneuver through our class wiki so that you know exactly where to go once you begin your activity. We'll start up here in the top section called Projects. If you'll click on Projects, you can go into the class project wiki that I created over the model of Earth layers. If you click on this link, you can go, you'll notice that you have project lesson plans, a project model, which is one that I created for you as an example. You have table number 1 through 6 here, which you will click on according to your assigned table number with your group table number that you're already in. So if you click on Project Lesson Plan, it will take you to our wiki page of instruction. It says Technology Lesson Training Plan. If you read through here, your objective. The student expectation is to build a model to illustrate the structural layers of Earth, including the inner core, outer core, mantle, crust, asthenosphere, and lithosphere. The student will use their models to differentiate aspects of the natural world to the created model of Earth's layers. Our plan of action. You will be combined into groups or teams according to your table number, and each team is going to generate and modify their team wiki page in the main Earth Layers class wiki, which is where we're currently at in our wiki. The group will compile all gathered data from previous lessons into creating their own design of the structural layers of Earth. Now, if you'll remember back, we've done an example of an apple model, an egg model, and we've also done our paper model and detailed and researched information according to each model and what it's made of. Your assessment is going to be a summary. It says, upon completion of the group activity, creating a model of the Earth's layers as a group, the learner will be able to evaluate at a cognitive level by comparing and contrasting the advantages and limitations of their model. Now remember, you can use other models that we've already done in class, plus this one that you create as a group to describe in your summary. The rubric for this entire assignment is going to be the group model that you create together on the class wiki page. It's worth 50 points, and the summary of advantages and limitations is worth 50 points as well. And that will be done in a Word document or some other creative application and be delivered into into your classroom folder page online. Okay, so if you'll go back up here to projects, I've created a project model for you, and this is a very, very simple model. I've titled it Model of the Layers of Earth. This is an example of our lesson that we've already done called the Cutaway View of the Earth, and it's labeled the 7 layers of Earth. Down here, I've labeled all 7. And this is where you would put or input detailed information about each layer that you've already researched. Okay? So you'll see all you have to do is push the edit button and go in and change information just like this. And add to it. Just type right in. Always remember that you want to save before closing. Okay, and now your information is already placed on the wiki page for you. So, you will go up to projects when you get into your groups, and you will find your table number. I've labeled them very easy for you to click on. Table 1, Table 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So you will click on your table number. You will push the edit button. You can highlight to delete this information. Just like this, and you can begin typing your information. Just like that. You can also use the headings up here to input pictures. You can drag pictures in, you can put calendars in, link photos, you can change the font. And I will be here to help you through all of this information. So if you have any questions, remember to push save always when you're finished, and raise your hand and let me know, and good luck.